Okay, yesterday I have started the spaces and boundaries too. Spaces and boundaries two. In this first work I have given to you, that is, take the 12 squares. By using the 12 squares, you draw the rectangles and then find the perimeter and area. Even though in that also you found that perimeter area is same always, but perimeter only different. Perimeter only different. Okay, we can write different. 6 to 6 you can draw. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 times if you take one rectangle will form. 4, 4, 4. 3 times if you take one rectangle will form. So different rectangles will form. You can draw them and you can find the area and you can find the perimeter. Okay, then when you go for the next page, there are some stamps are pasted on the square paper. The stamp A, stamp B, stamp C, stamp D. There are 4 stamps are there. So you need to find out the area of the stamp. What means area, you know that?
Yes.
What is the meaning of area?
Space.
How much space? How many squares it is occupied? How many squares it is
Occupied.
Perimeter is what? Length of the boundary is called perimeter. So you see here stamps they have pasted on the square paper only. So easily you can calculate it, easily you can count it how many squares it is occupied. Okay. So you can see there are 4 stamps on the stamp paper here. There are some questions are asking here. Can you answer it? How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? Stamp A covered by how many squares there?
10.
Stamp A, 10 squares it is covered.
Oh, 6.
10 squares. 6 squares it is covered.
Yes.
Perimeter is 10, but not I am asking only how many squares it is occupied here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the answer there. Side 6 squares you write. No, not there. The question where the question is there, there you will answer. So what is the second question again there? How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp B cover? Stamp B covered by how many squares? 2 squares. Right, 2 squares. Okay, then what is here saying? See, stamp D covers 4 squares. Is it or not? So each square of side is what? 1 centimeter, no? So what is the area of the stamp D? I said already, yesterday onwards you are writing that is. You know about that. Area of stamp, if you are writing area of stamp A, what you will write? How many stamps A is covering? 6 stamps, no? So what you will write? Only 6 you will write?
No, 6 squares.
Very good. 6 square. What is the that box is what? Centimeter box, no? That's why you write like that. 6 square centimeters. 6 square
Centimeters.
What is the area of stamp B?
2 square centimeters.
You write like that. 2 square centimeters. What is the area of the stamp C?
1 square centimeter.
1 square centimeter. What is the area of stamp D?
4 square centimeters. 4 square centimeters.
4 square centimeters. Okay. So if there are something you can fill it. Can you fill this? Questions are there. You see down. Which stamp covers the largest area here? Write the answer stamp A. Next. What is the next question in that? How many squares of one side does that stamp cover?
2 and 3.
No man. How many stamps it cover? How many squares it is cover?
6.
Right, 6. Then what is the area of that? Area of that is 1 square centimeter. We are talking about stamp A, no? Stamp A is what is the area of stamp A? 6 square centimeter. Okay. 6 square centimeters. Next question. D question is what? What stamp covers least area, smallest area? Write the question there. Stamp C. Answer. Stamp C. Stamp C. That stamp C covered by how many squares? Right there, 1. Second, in that question, second answer. How many squares it is occupied? 1 only, no? Then what is the area of the stamp C?
1 square centimeter.
How many cover that many, no? 1 square centimeter. So what you will write there? 1. This is covered by 1 square centimeter, no? So what is the area? 1 square. Right. And what is the last question he is giving? What is the difference between the biggest stamp and smallest stamp? What is the areas of the? What is the difference between the areas of biggest stamp and smallest stamp? Biggest and smallest difference is asking. Difference how do you find? Biggest one 6, smallest one 1. What is the difference he is asking? Subtract between what you will get answer. So what you will write there? Yes, 5 square. No need, only write answer. Okay, 5 square centimeter. Because answer is very easy, no? Difference means subtraction, you know about it. And next, from the next page you are coming. What is the question you have to find here? What is the area of the following figures drawn on the square sheet? Each square has side 1 centimeter. One has been given for you. And in that some are half of are there. Some filled are see. Did you see that? Before up to stamps you see that fully filled. In this stamp half filled are there. But in these pictures half filled also are there. Did you see that? Half filled. So you see that this is the square box is there. So like that they have given to you. So if you want to find out the area, what you will do? How many squares it is occupying? You have to check now. It is fully occupied.
8.
Let's say 1.
8.
This is fully occupied.
2.
This is also fully occupied.
3. 4.
Fully occupied. But here full.
No.
This is off. This is off. Then what you will do? 2 offs will become 1. 2 offs will become 1. Like that you have to count. Here 2 offs will become 1.
6.
Here 2 offs will become 1.
7.
Here 2 offs will become
8.
like that. When the offs are there, 2 offs will become
1.
like that you have to count. Okay, you see this one how much? Half. Quarter we will say. In half again it is half. Like that sometimes if you see how much it is? Quarter. 4 quarters will become 1. How many quarters will become 1?
4.
So you see like this. Like this is given by. This is what? Half. This is also half. 2 halves will become 1. And here half is there, here half is there. 2 halves will become 1. Here 1 full is there.
3.
And this is what half? Quarter it is called. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters will become 1. Remember that. 2 halves will become 1. 4 quarters become
1.
You understand?
Yes.
2 halves will become 1. 4 quarters will become 1. So 1, 2, 3 and these all together 1 only. 4. So what is the answer? 4 square centimeter. Can you find the areas of all the pictures are given in the page number? Okay? Okay, find it. Find them out. Okay. You finish? Okay. Listen to me. Okay, next bit you see. Try this. Try this. He is asking there 2 yellow color pictures are there. Down. One is square, one is triangle. Last down, 8 man, listen man. Last one. What are there? What is the question there? Are the two shapes are having the equal area or not? Is that? You will find the areas no?
Yes.
Area of the square you find. Area of the triangle you find. Area of the square, area of the triangle. Check that are the areas are equal or not. If yes, you write yes. Or no, you write no. But you observe carefully here. That are, how is that you know? You see, like that it is there. This square no. The same square only what he have done, you know, he cut like this. And this piece is there, no. This piece he joined here. Now you will get same one, you know. First one you see, this is a square. In this square, what he have done? Alpha, listen. He cut this off. This half only he joined this side. Then triangle found, no. Means what is the meaning of that? Both are same one, you know. Is it or not? So this is one square. What he have done? He cut like this. Next to this one, as it is, he have taken. This piece is there now. This piece he joined this side. Means both will become equal, no? The area of the square, area of the triangle will be equal. Okay, you can count it. By counting you find it, but I am giving idea to you. Because nothing is that, only in this only joined there. That's why there will be equal. Okay, one more side. Another page you take. That is also very easy, that's why I am going to discuss with you. They are purple color, two rectangles are there. In first bit purple color, two rectangles are there. What he is saying to do, divide them into two rectangles. Divide one rectangle is there, no. That rectangle you have to divide into two equal rectangles. Can you divide it?
Yes.
So like this is there. Can you divide this into two equal rectangles?
Yes.
How do you divide? Like this also you can do. As your wish should be. Divide that into first one also divide, another one also divide. Then after dividing, there is a question. Small rectangle form no. What is the area of the small rectangle is asked. Can you find it or not?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, in the picture, you write the area. What is the area of this one first? After cutting, small rectangle is coming now. That area also you write it. Down. Okay, understand?
Yes.
You understand? Karthik. Divide this rectangle into two equal small rectangles. Then after, here first of all you write area of this shape. Then after dividing small area, you got it the small one. That area you have to find out. Okay? Next one, green color. What are in green color? Rectangles are there. We have to divide them into two equal triangles. We have to divide them into two equal triangles. There are three are there. How do you divide into two equal triangles? If you make like that, two equal triangles will form. No? You understand? This is the way. Dividing into equal triangles is like this you will divide. Now first total area is what? 2 square centimeters. No. Now divided into triangle. What is the area of the triangle only? Half one, you divided equally, no? Means what is the area of the small square triangle? 1 square. Like that, can you find out?
Yes.
There are three shapes of it. Last one, blue color. Blue color is there like this. We have to divide that into 4 equal triangles. 4 equal triangles. Okay, 4 triangles I want to get here. Don't see, say something. 4 equal triangles you have to make. How? Triangles. First you can do like this. We will cut here first. After cutting, now what you do? Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles came.
Yes.
All equal triangles only. No? This is one triangle. 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles. Now this area of the triangle only how to find? Okay, can you find it? Okay, this is all you have to done now. Page number 79 and 80. The homework is for 79 and 80. Page number 79 and page number
80. Sir, now.
no homework because time completed.